Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to defend in Dark War Survival. Defending your base in Dark War Survival effectively requires a mix of strategy, proper hero placement, infrastructure upgrades, and active alliance support. Start by assigning your strongest heroes to the city gate garrison, ideally up to 5 or 4 if your tower hasn't reached level 13 yet, ensuring your key defenders are ready to safeguard your settlement. Next, focus on upgrading defense structures like walls and watch followers to slow enemy advances and boost overall protection. Training additional units will also increase your shelter's defensive capacity, while keeping your peace shields active provides temporary but critical protection. Combining these approaches ensures your city is resilient against attacks and your defenses are maximized. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.